Hi everyone, my name is Arav Ahmed Patil and beside me are Danush Ji and Sanjit S. We are from Excel Public School, Mysuru, working under the theme of sustainable development and a focused area on environmental conservation.
Cigarette butts are major environmental issue with estimated 4.5 trillion cigarette butts discarded improperly each year. These filters are made up of cellulose acetate can persist in the environment for years, releasing toxic chemicals that harm wildlife, aquatic ecosystem and soil quality.
Traditional disposal methods for cigarette butts are often inadequate. Many smokers lack convenient option for responsible disposal. To combat this issue, we have developed a redesigned cigarette pack that includes a built-in compartment for storing used butts. We conducted a survey targeting smokers in Mysore. The results indicated a significant interest in a convenient and responsible disposal option. Most respondents were not aware of the environmental harm caused by discarded cigarette butts and were receptive to the idea of a cigarette pack with built-in storage.
By integrating a dedicated compartment within the cigarette pack, smokers now have a practical, accessible way to store used butts temporarily until they can be properly disposed of. This solution not only addresses littering but also encourages behavioral changes by making proper disposal more convenient.
Our design includes several unique features. Dedicated compartment, a small compartment with a pack for easy access and storage of used buds. Order blocking line with blocking material to contain the smell. Fire resistant material coated with a to reduce the risk of accidental fires. Reusable. Designed for multiple uses, allowing for collection and proper disposal or recycling of cigarette butts.
Compared to existing solution, our solution offers several unique advantages. It provides a proactive solution by integrating disposal options directly into the product, ensuring convenience, safety, and environmental responsibility. We believe that our redesigned cigarette pack will significantly reduce the cigarette butt litter, protect the environment, and encourage responsible disposal habits among the smokers. The three of us came together for redesigning the cigarette pack. We worked together to redesign the cigarette pack with the help of our mentor's guidance. We thank our mentor for his invaluable support.